Here's Bradley. Sleep.
Hello. Hello. I said hello.
Look, come here.
Hello.
No, come here.
Hello.
No.
How much cookie do you want?
Yeah, just got done with Sunsplash. It was fun.
Someone screamed on all the rides.
I did not scream. Only on the black hole thing, the Revolution.
No,
that
you
was
screamed
dark.
on the other one too.
No, I
Because when we
didn't.
dropped, you screamed.
Yeah, and then you hit your butt.
Put my butt on all of it.
Yeah.
Because it was like so close to me, and I could feel like the. I was like,
Yeah.
ow.
Yep.
Not feel nice.
We're heading to the restaurant now. I guess I'm gonna take videos there too. Yeah. Oh, here's my OTD. It's this star. It's kind of cloth thingy. It's see-through, so you have to wear like a black tank top. And I'm wearing shorts. I can see shorts and the socks again. I can't really. There, Vans. As Bradley says, he does not like Vans socks. Why don't you like Vans socks?
Because they're ugly.
I might get Elites with my money. Some Elites. No, but yeah.
No good
My
music.
birthday so far is doing good.
Yep.
Yeah. Spent with the love of my life. Right here.
What's that?
Right here.
You pointing to?
This one right. Yeah, so I'll just take another video at Elephant Bar and one at home too when I eat the cake. Yeah. He's just staring at me
Because you're so weird.
because I'm talking to myself.